Hey guys, what is up? The Grand Mouse 15 here, and welcome back to Ratchet Clank Going Commando. We are going to continue today where we left off before. Ow, my eyes. Okay. So we need to go to the Mactar Resort, or the Mactar Nebula. Mactar Nebula? Guess we go. Huh, Clank's got a secret admirer. Oh no, is it that? Oh, it's that guy. Wait a minute, was he in the shower? I'm not going to question the game's logic. But, okay, whatever. Oh no. Okay. Trying to find out where all of the enemies here are. Okay, you all are just being foolish. Wait, there's waves? Oh, crap. Oh! Come on. Get that out of here. Oh, back off, pal. I forgot we have to go through this crap if we're actually going to get there. Oh, I'm trying to find where all of them are, but they... Give me a second here. Okay, we made it. I don't know where that is. Is it just going to take me there? I have no idea. Oh, okay, it's just going to take us there. It just takes a second. We gotta rescue Clank. Oh, there's some weapon. Okay, so we can still get the blitz gun. Got an enemy. Get off me. Yes. I won the slots, and just in time to kick some butt too. Huh. Hey. Okay. Hi. Oh, come on, Ratchet. You already out of energy? Come on, buddy. Push forward. You got this. Oh, yeah. Forgot about this. Gimme, 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 gimme. Give it all to me. Some free coins. Let's win the slots. Oh no. Come on. Yes. Oh, we'd be making that coinage. Okay, let's move. The heck are you? I guess that works. I have no idea. What is this thing? Um, 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 um. No, 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 no. Obviously, I need that for something, but I have the feeling I don't want to hold that for too long. Okay, move it. Let's go. Feel I'm gonna need this guy again. Oh, okay then. Okay, I don't understand how this works. Oh, it's almost like a slingshot. Come here, you. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, it burns. Oh, so we need this? Let's get our camera reset here. I hate you have to do this for some games. Okay. Ah! Yes! What? Where am I? Okay, too far. Want me to destroy those things, don't you? Is that what it wants me to do? More difficult than what you would think it would be. Oh boy. Okay, yeah. That's what it wants me to do. Oh boy. Okay, come on. I'm a slingshot pro. Oh boy. Huh. What do we need this for? Oh, I remember these. We have to... Jamming array? Oh boy. Think we'll probably have to cover this in a separate video. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be a master, stay master, see you guys next time. Subscribe if you're new, and also click the notification bell and set it for all notifications also if you're new. And anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Good night, everybody.